Welcome to my channel, Ms. Old Coins and History Enthusiasts. Today, we're holding a piece of British history in our hands, a silent witness to a nation's economic transformation. This isn't just any coin. It's a story minted in copper nickel. First up, let's set the stage. The year is 1975, but the story truly begins a few years earlier. Britain was preparing for a monumental shift, a moment that would simplify centuries of complex currency. The old system of pounds, shillings, and pence was on its way out. This coin, the new 10 pence, was a vanguard of that change. It was part of the advanced preparation for Decimal Day in 1971, a day that would forever alter British commerce. The new 10 pence was designed to be identical in size and value to the old florin or 2-shilling piece, ensuring a smooth transition. So why was this specific 1975 coin minted? Millions of these new 10 pence pieces were created in the early 1970s. The 1975 issue was part of ongoing production to replace the old pre-decimal coins entirely and to meet the demands of a fully decimalized economy. It was money doing its job. But here is where the narrative turns fascinating. This coin represents the end of an era in a very tangible way. Following decimalization, the original new 10 pence, the one you see here from 1975, had a specific diameter. It was a substantial coin, meant to mirror its predecessor. Its composition of 75% copper and 25% nickel gave it a distinctive heft and a familiar, enduring silvery appearance. It felt significant in the palm, a proper coin of the realm. This very feel is now a memory. The critical fact that transforms this coin from common change to a collectible prize is its lifespan. This original large version of the new 10 pence, first minted in 1968, was only produced until 1991. In 1992, it was dramatically reduced in size to save on metal costs. That means every original large 10 pence, including our 1975 specimen, was taken out of circulation. They were melted down, recycled, and disappeared from everyday use. This act of demonetization created a finite pool of surviving coins. Survival is key. While millions were made, a coin in pristine, uncirculated condition is far rarer. A coin that has never been jangled in a pocket or scratched on a counter retains its full mint luster, a mirror of the past perfectly preserved. Now, let's address the true source of its value. The standard 1975 new 10 pence in circulated condition is indeed a piece of history, but its monetary value is modest, often just a few dollars to a collector. However, we are not discussing a standard coin. The immense value lies in a specific error, a magnificent minting mistake. In 1975, a very small number of these 10 pence coins were struck on the wrong metal blanks. Imagine a 10 pence design, but stamped on a blank intended for a different, rarer coin. These error coins are the holy grails. They are anomalies, the spectacular results of a fleeting moment of mechanical confusion at the RoyalMint. They are so rare that their existence is confirmed, but their numbers are shrouded in mystery, perhaps only a handful known to collectors. So what is the maximum price, the peak of value for a 1975 10 pence? We must look at auction records for these phenomenal errors. A 1975 10 pence struck on a silver-proof 50 pence blank, for instance, transcends ordinary collecting. Such a coin is a unique treasure. At prestigious auction houses, coins of this caliber, with such a profound error and in impeccable condition, have achieved prices in the tens of thousands of dollars. We are talking about a potential value reaching $40,000 or $50,000 or more. This is not mere speculation. It is the market speaking, confirming that the most extreme and rare mint errors from this decimal transition period are coveted masterpieces of numismatics. They are blue-chip assets in a collector's portfolio. Your mission is clear. Examine every 1975 10 pence you find. Look for its weight, its ring, its very presence. Is it the large version? Does it feel different? Could it be struck on a metal that seems unusual? You must be the detective. Do not clean it. Preservation is paramount. Any attempt to polish it can destroy its surface and obliterate its numismatic value. Hold it by the edges, store it carefully, and seek expert authentication if you suspect yours is anything but ordinary. This journey is about more than money. It is about holding a key to a locked door in economic history and discovering that your key might be the one made of gold. The 1975 10 is a common coin with an utterly uncommon potential. Let this knowledge fuel your search. In attics, in old jars of foreign coins, in inherited collections, this piece of 1975 history could be waiting. Its story is written, but its final chapter, its astounding valuation, could be written by you. The dream is real. The history is in your hands. The maximum prize is life-changing. Start looking, because the next coin you dismiss as mere small change could be the treasure that rewrites your future. Happy hunting!